So Northwestern Michigan College is a pretty traditional community college, I think, in the sense that we've got students coming directly out of high school, but we also do a lot of adult retraining as well. The main goal of the community college, at least from my perspective, is job preparation. We had a CIS program, a traditional computer information systems program here at the college, but we were also teaching IT classes in another part of the college that were specifically focused at certification. So we literally had that parallel universe really here at the campus. And so about 5 years ago, we decided that that just didn't work and that we really needed to integrate, and if business wanted certification, we wanted to deliver that in addition to degree programs. So 5 years ago, we combined. We now have a program that's called Computer Information Technology. We're still focused on degrees, we're focused on transfer, but we've integrated those certifications into the programs. We determined that MCTS, Microsoft Certified Technology Specialist, was the optimal certification for our students leaving the program. Just about that time, though, Microsoft contacted us and let us know about the Microsoft Technology Associate level of certification that they were releasing at that point, and we were selected to be a preview partner and have since integrated into the program.
For me, the MTA just validates what we're doing. We offer the MTA at an early part in our program, so students that are here for 2 years, it does give us the opportunity to see where they're at and work with them. I think it's very beneficial, and it can create some individualized learning where I can mentor them and work with them more one-on-one to push them in the direction they want to go to.
So our goal, at least as far as the CIT developer program, is to totally embed the MTA certification. I think that most students coming into the program have a feel already for what's going on out in the IT industry. They recognize that certification is important.
Right after getting out of high school, I went directly into the workforce. I've been there for about 14 years working in the IT field. I'm coming back to school because it's getting harder and harder to find a decent paying job in the IT field without that piece of paper that says you know what you're doing.
The MTA exam tests a student's fundamental knowledge in the areas that they're going to have to go into when they finish school. Today, students have to be global. They have to understand and work in a global world. And the skills that they get by understanding the fundamentals of MTA and even other certifications provides them that knowledge that they can work anywhere they want. So students that have a basic understanding of IT can really name their ticket and go just about anywhere in any industry. And you can't say that about every industry.
I think it's great having the certifications that tie directly in with the degree program. The MTA exam is pretty much a stepping stone from taking the college class to being full-blown industry certified, because when you go to a prospective employer, they not only know that you know in general the IT world and all the technology there, but specifically which items, for example, Microsoft SQL Server.
If I'm an employer and I'm looking at 2 different job applicants, okay, and they're both equally qualified as far as education, and one doesn't have as much experience, for me, the certification is kind of the piece that will maybe sway me one way or another with a student.
We're looking for new employees and we're kind of going through the resume sorting process. The certifications really do stand out. In fact, we'll often look at a stack of resumes, and those that are certified are the ones that we're going to call and bring in. And really what it tells us is, do they have the base skills that have been kind of measured against a set measurement by the industry. So for instance, if they have a set of even basic Microsoft skills, they're going to stand out far and above those that do not.
MTA is sort of like a gateway. I plan on starting here and then working my way up. Certifications aren't going to end, they're just beginning. This MTA is just the beginning, so yeah, I'm going to work my way up. I want to be valuable as a future employee.
So a major advantage of Microsoft Technology Associate certification, or certification in general, is that there's this third party out there defining what the objectives are, what the outcomes are. That's really helpful in the planning part, obviously, if you've got an industry group out there, basically specifying this is what our expectations are. So then we can go ahead and put curriculum together. Of course, the part that we sometimes find a challenge is the checking and the adjusting part. And that was the part that I was really excited about with the Microsoft Technology certification, is some of the reporting that was directly available through Certiport when the students completed those exams.
The MTA exam provides me feedback on how well the students are doing. And so I can use that information to look at my curriculum to see where I need to make improvements. It could be that they're struggling in a specific area and I need to make changes in that so that I can strengthen the results, hopefully for the next group of students that take the exam.
As far as the MTA certification, we're able to purchase those exams as a site license and offer that to the student just as part of the course. It's very, very cost effective, and when you compare that to the value it's providing, just embedding certification, the value to the industry, it's kind of an obvious choice for us.
90% of operating systems are Microsoft, and if you can say that you're Microsoft certified, you do get your foot in the door. So the idea of not having some certifications is silly.
Students are coming back to college and they're looking for retraining, they're looking to better themselves. And so again, the certification just adds that additional credential, an international credential that they can take with them, and is recognized. So I think it adds a lot of value and makes them a lot more marketable.